Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. I am Terry. I hope that you're all doing fine. So, oh my gosh, it's been a while since I uploaded a video. I took a break and that break turned into a very long break. So I do apologize for that, guys, but I'm back now and hopefully I will do better, okay? I need to do better. So if you guys saw the title, you can tell from the title, today I'm doing a FAUX LOCS look for you guys, and I am doing the individual crochet method. So here you guys can see that I'm already like pre-parting my hair and I am like braiding it down, but I'm gonna focus on the front section just a bit for you guys. I'm gonna part my hair into two halves right in the front. I'm just gonna use my jam that I showed in the first clip to clean up my parts. Then on one side of my head, I'm gonna part that into two once more. And once I have two sections, I'm gonna part one part into two again. So in total, I am going to have 4 rows on each side of my head, and you guys will see that. So once I do my partings, I do go over the partings with my jam and I neaten up the partings before I do braid it down. So here I'm showing you that I have 4 sections, and I repeated the same thing on the other side. So jumping fast forward, like I'm braiding my hair down, and I don't like braid my hair all the way down. I braid it halfway and then I do a twist. So just to speed things up, I'm showing you guys how I did half of my head, and I did do it in like block method so that the hair can fall in between each party. So the hair that I used was called Born Locks. It's 18 inches and I believe it was in a number 2, and I used the Afro Kinky bulk hair to wrap my roots, and this was in a number 1, but it wasn't far from the color of the Born Locks. If I'm correct, I think it was a 1B that I used in the locks, but yeah, I'll backtrack. I will put that in the notes for you guys. So I showed you what the locks look like, and I'm basically just going to separate the little loop that came with the lock, and I'm gonna crochet that under my braid. I'm gonna pull my hair through the loop, and I'm going to tighten that knot up towards the root. This hairstyle was so tension free, guys. I love it, and currently I still have this in. I did this hairstyle the 23rd of December, and today is the 21st of February, and I still have these locks in, guys. That's how long I'm stretching this. So you guys saw me put the Afro Kinky bulk through my braid as well. So I did split the hair in half and I crochet that underneath my braid, and now I'm starting to wrap the hair around the lock with my hair underneath as well. So I'm just gonna wrap that down until I fully cover my natural hair, and then once I get to the end, I am going to create a little knot, and then I'm going to roll the lock into my palms just to seal the ends in. Trust me, guys, this hair did not budge, it did not unravel at all once I did that. This is what the lock looks like. You guys can see how the Afro Kinky bulb just blends in well with the lock itself. It's seamless and it's super natural looking. So I was just trying to show you guys like a back view here of me putting the hair in towards the back of my head. I did have help with braiding the back of my head. That's why I didn't show it in the video, and I did braid up the front part myself. And yeah, I'm just showing you guys the whole process once more. So just a little details about this lock. It's the Born Locks. It's 18 inches long. I got it actually in 1B, the color 1B, and the African Kinky bulk was in the color number 1, but it wasn't far off, so it didn't look weird once I wrapped it over the locks. And in each pack of Born locks that it came in, I had 20 locks to work with from each pack, and I did use 2.5 packs. In one of the clips I will be showing that I'm on pack number 3, but I did not use all of the locks from pack number 3. I actually used half, so in total I have 2.5 packs of hair in my head. Yeah, right here I'm showing you I'm on pack number 3, just about to start, and basically I'm just gonna finish up my hair towards the front. So now I'm just gonna, you know, be quiet so you guys can watch the process and like catch it. Right here, super important, if your hair is long and you tend to like run out of the African Kinky bulk before you finish wrapping your hair, just fold your natural hair in half and wrap it around the lock, and then you can go in with the African Kinky bulk and just wrap your hair down. My hair reaches me right on top of my shoulder, so probably if your hair is longer you will need to use more African Kinky bulk to cover your natural hair. However, my hair is not that long, so I just folded it in half and then I continue wrapping all the way down until my hair is fully covered and protected. And remember guys, this is a protective style, so you want to like moisturize your hair before you do this type of style, just to keep it moist, because your hair will be underneath that for a very long time depending on how long you wear it. I'm almost 2 months in. It's the longest I've ever worn a hairstyle, to be honest. I cannot believe. Okay, so I really love this hairstyle. So now I'm just gonna go in. Oh, right here I'm showing you this is day 2 hair, because I didn't have time to like finish up everything. I was filming at night for majority of this. I was filming at night, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just do my edges now. Oh, and after I sprayed in the leave-in conditioner, I did go in with some oils like castor oil, jojoba oil, and peppermint oils that I mixed in a bottle, and I applied that to my scalp and massaged that in first, and then I went in and just work on my edges. Now I'm just gonna like tie my edges down so that they can stay into place and last me all day. And once that is down, this is what the hair is looking like, guys. Oh my gosh, I am in love with this hairstyle. It was a really great, not was, it is still a great protective style because I've been wearing it for almost 2 months now. Like, I'm 2 days away from 2 months of wearing this locks, and it's still going strong. I did retighten my hair, but I did that like in a short video, so probably I'll upload a short on YouTube so you guys can see how I retighten my hair. It's the same process of wrapping from the roots actually, but I didn't push the hair under my hair this time. It was super easy, super cute. This is how far the hair catches me in my back, like waist length. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this content, this hairstyle for today, and I'll see you next time. Peace.